The fitting has been developed over a time of 5 years or so, plus then a testing time of nearly 3 years to just make sure that it's the right product for the market. The benefits of the polymer fittings is that it is absolutely corrosion resistant against every drinking water quality and that it's absolutely hygiene. So it means this fitting is lead-free and it has a superior connection technology in comparison to the brass sleeve. The materials have been chosen to best meet their function. The material of the fitting is PPSU, which is used in aerospace industry, for example. It's a very lightweight and corrosion resistant and hot water resistant material, while the sleeve is actually PVDF, and the PVDF is best suited for long-term flexibility. And that's exactly what we need for the compression sleeve. When it's compressed on the pipe end and then expands, we want to have that the sleeve compresses over the lifespan always at the same compression force. When you push a brass sleeve onto the expanded pipe end, the brass will expand. Now metals can't shrink back, and what happens then is that the initial force has to be very high to allow for the material inside the gap to what we call relax. With the PVDF compression sleeve, we have the benefit that we have a constant force on the compression over the whole lifespan. So that means we don't have to have the initial high compression force to allow for this relaxation, which is easier to do by hand and also saves on battery life for battery tools. One additional benefit is that this sleeve can be slid on from both sides. You don't have to consider any specific way you do the joint. We make sure that the fittings, when they come out of the machine, that it's cooled down in a certain way. And each fitting is after that laser measured, so that to make sure that the dimensions are all correct. And also with the sleeve, each sleeve is cooled down in a certain way and then measured and camera inspected so that we can see that each sleeve has been produced as per our quality specification.